Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these 5 Red Bull cocktails. These were a lot of fun to make. I love the colors. Let me know in the comment if you guys wanna see part 2 of this video. As always, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka, grenadine, Red Bull, and pineapple juice. I'm gonna start by adding ice into the glass. 2 ounces of vodka. Two ounces of pineapple juice. And I'm gonna top it out with Red Bull. And finally, grenadine. And that's how you make the Red Bull Sunset. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this one we're gonna need vodka, Peach Schnapps, Red Bull, and orange juice. We're gonna start with ice. One and a half ounces of peach schnapps. Half ounce of vodka. One and a half ounce of orange juice. And top it out with Red Bull. We're gonna give this a quick mix. And that's how you make the fuzzy bowl. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this one we're gonna need with vodka, vanilla vodka, and strawberry apricot Red Bull. Ice. One ounce of wheat vodka. One ounce of vanilla vodka. And top it out with the Red Bull. Now I'm gonna need help naming this cocktail. Just let me know in the comments. What do you think we should call this drink? And really quick, before we move into the next one, if you're liking the video so far, don't forget to subscribe for more cocktails like this. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this one we're gonna need Hpnotiq, coconut rum, lemon lime soda, and the white Red Bull. Alright, ice into the glass. One ounce of coconut rum. One ounce of Hpnotiq. Coconut berry Red Bull. And tap it out with Sprite. And that's how you make the blue wings. Alright, let's move to the last one. Alright, so for this one we're gonna need mango rum, dragon fruit Red Bull, and lemonade. Ice. Two ounces of Malibu Mango. Lemonade. And just tap it out with Red Bull. And that's how you make the dragon wings. Alright, let's give them a try. Alright, I can definitely taste the pineapple juice, not too sweet, and also can taste a little bit of the Red Bull. I'll give this one 8 out of 10. Alright, let's try the next one. I can definitely taste the peach. I get some orange notes. If you like the cocktail fuzzy navel, you're definitely gonna like this one. I'll give this 8.7 out of 10. Alright, let's try the next one. I can definitely taste the vanilla and some strawberry notes. So far this is my least favorite. I'll give this one 7.5 out of 10. Alright, let's try the blue one. Oh, this is good. I can definitely taste the coconut. It's light, bubbly, refreshing, and it also has a beautiful color. I'll give this one 9.5 out of 10. And the last one. Oh, this is really good. The mango and the dragon fruit goes really well together, so it's not too sweet. It's perfect balance. From all 5, I think this is my favorite. I'll give this one 10 out of 10. And that's how you make these 5 Red Bull cocktails. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!